took my marinated taco seasoned chicken out of the refrigerator. This is what's left from last night. I'm going to go ahead and cook this up in the air fryer. So I'm going to put it in. I'm going to put it in at 375 and I'm going to let it go for 13 minutes. All right, and we're all set. Oh my goodness. That is so delicious, guys. I'm fixing to eat really good early in the morning. Well, it's not too early. It's about 10 o'clock. And yeah, I'm fixing to make me some of these chicken nachos. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this over. All right, I'm gonna let that go a little bit longer. And then yeah, I'm gonna eat good. All right, everybody, I just took some of my chicken out of the air fryer and diced it up. So now I'm going to put it on top of these nachos like I did yesterday. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on these nachos. And this is it's so good. So delicious. You guys have got to try this marinade. All right, I'm gonna finish putting my nacho salad together. Hey everybody, so the time is now, it's 5 o'clock sharp and I'm headed home. I had to stop by Walmart when I left the school to pick up a couple of items, and then I stopped and got some catfish for dinner. I am going to get me a couple pieces of catfish along with some a salad. Have a nice salad on the side, but that's going to be my dinner. And no, it's not a keto catfish either. It's not even a low carb catfish, but I'm tired. I have a bit of a headache. I do not feel like I don't feel like cooking. I'm gonna get home and I'm gonna go ahead and decorate a smaller tree, my third Christmas tree. We have 3 trees this year. I know I haven't showed you guys all of our decor, but we do have 3 trees. I have a smaller tree upstairs in the upstairs kind of hallway there by our stairwell. I'm going to decorate that. And by decorate, I mean simply I'm going to add some lights to it and just put a few decorations on there. I didn't want to do too much, but I did want a tree in that area of the house. And so I actually got this tree at Five Below, and it's like a frosted tree for $5. And it's really cute. I was really surprised. I can't wait to show you guys. So I'm just going to dress it up a little bit with some LED lights, just a few LED lights, not too much. And yeah, that is going to be it. So that's pretty much all I have planned this evening. Oh, I'm gonna wrap a few gifts as well. So that's all I've got planned for this evening. This small little tree number 3 finished, and to be completely honest, I'm not really happy with it, but I do like the idea of just having a small tree here in this area. It looks okay. I may change some things. It just looks a little messy. I think it's because I can't get the tree to shape right. I'm just gonna have to work with it a little more, but right now I'm tired, my back is hurting. So this is just what I have for now. I'm gonna have to fix it up. Again, I'm not fond of it. I want it to look a lot better than this. Hey everybody, so it is actually the next day. Not only is it the next day, but it's also late the next day. I don't know what kind of vlogging I'm doing, y'all, these past few days. But after I got through decorating the tree yesterday, I was exhausted. My family came home, spent a little time with Angelina downstairs here, and I went to bed and I crashed. So I didn't get to close out the vlog, and then it was really short. So I said I just wanted to add on to it. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm just adding on a little bit to the vlog for you guys. But right now I am getting ready to make dinner. And so dinner is going to consist of hamburgers, bacon cheeseburgers. And for me, I'm going to I'm getting me a bacon cheeseburger, but I'm going to put it on Sola bread to make it low carb. And I have some Sola buns downstairs. I don't feel like all that bread, so I'm just going to put it on regular Sola white bread. And yeah, so I'm going to get that together. I'm also going to, many of you told me to keep my wreath, do not throw it away. So I'm going to try to work with that a little bit this evening. The time is now 5:22. So I have quite a bit of time before it's time for me to head upstairs and get to bed to work on this wreath. I'm going to also wrap a few Christmas gifts. I've been trying to wrap gifts for the last couple of days and hadn't gotten to it. So I'm going to try to get to that tonight, but I'm definitely going to work on the wreath for my front door because it is bare and it is just killing me. So hopefully I'm going to take the suggestions that some of you all gave me and try to cut out the decor that I have. I said super glued in the video, but it's actually hot glued on. So I'm going to try to cut some of that decor out and see that if I can put some of the newer decor on and make it look nice and presentable again. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I hope I can do it. For our burgers today, I don't know if you guys remember this in a haul that I did a while back at Costco. I got these ground sirloin beef patties. I'm going to be trying these out for the first time today. So I've got them in the oven right now. And like I said, we're just having simple bacon cheeseburgers, and we have some fries left over from yesterday when I had gotten some catfish. So we're just going to heat those fries up in the air fryer, and yeah, that's going to be dinner. But I'll let you know how these taste. If you guys have tried this, let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried this Kirkland ground sirloin beef patties. They certainly look really good, even frozen. They're nice and thick, and you know, they look really beefy, if that makes sense. So let me know what you guys think about them. All right, everybody. So this is my bacon cheeseburger. I've got everything else everybody else has, bacon, lettuce, tomato, cheese, and I've just got it on Sola bread, and this is the Sola golden wheat bread. This is all I'm having, and I'm gonna call it dinner. Okay, hey everybody. So I am here in the office now. I just finished my hamburger. Delicious, okay? But now I'm here in the office and I've got my wreath here. I'm going to take you guys' advice and try to get most or all of these decorations off and hopefully revive this. So let's see what happens, guys. I'm excited and I'm kind of being lazy. I really don't feel like it. But I'd rather do this, and if it works, that'll be great instead of going out and spending more money on another $100 wreath. This one I actually made, but once I put everything together, it was like $100, and that was even back in the day. So hopefully we can do something great with this one. Let's see. I got all of the old decor off, and so I still have the wreath, and it still looks pretty full. You know, oh, it's really big. It's like almost hanging off of my desk here. It's a really big wreath, but our door is really big, so it's perfect for the door. I am actually so glad I took you guys' advice and kept the wreath. So some of the pieces were really hot glued on there. Some of them I was just able to pull, and they just came right off. Other pieces I had to cut off, so I'm glad I brought my wire cutter in here. So I just had to cut some of those pieces off. But for the most part, which included, you know, the little stems from the wreath. But for the most part, I was able to keep most of them. And yeah, I went on and left. You see these pine cones here? I went on and left the gold pine cones on here because, and of course, you guys know my colors are gold and white. I figured, hey, they're already gold. They're on there. It was a little difficult to get them off. So yeah, they're on there. And the color's perfect. It goes perfect with my Christmas decor. So now I'm going to add my decor on. So did I bring my hot glue gun? I'm getting my hot glue gun. I'm gonna get my hot glue gun nice and hot, and I've got me some wire here so that I can, you know, wire some things on here that I need to. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wire everything if at all possible, so that if I need to repurpose this again next year or the year after, it won't be tedious, and I can just, you know, untwist the wire. So we'll try that. But thank you guys so much. You are awesome. Oh, also, I got this wreath kit at Michael's. It was like 40% off. I picked it up. I don't know why. I picked it up, but I think it's actually going to be perfect for what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to take some of these out of here and try to put it on here somewhere. Anyway, you guys will see. All right, I'm going to try to work with it and see what I can do with this wreath here. We're going to make it great. I'm going to take a picture of it tomorrow morning. It's dark out right now, so I'll take a picture of it tomorrow morning, hanging on the door so you guys can see what it looks like. Thank you all so much for recommending that I keep it. I actually do love it. I'm actually in love with it. So thank you all so much who recommended, hey, don't throw it away. Keep it and reuse it. So I did that. Thank you. Thank you again. So I'm finally getting around to wrapping some of these gifts. I'm really excited about that. So yeah, I'm wrapping some gifts right now, and I'm also watching one of my favorite YouTubers. I'm watching Crystal Terra right now. I love her decorating. She does such a wonderful job. And anyway, so I'm watching her right now, and I'm gonna wrap. I have quite a few gifts to wrap. I guess maybe about 6 or 7 gifts to wrap. I don't know if I'll get around to all of it tonight, but I'm gonna do the best I can. But I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit of some of my gift wrapping and how I like to wrap my gifts. Everybody, this is the door wreath. I have finished it. I also sprayed some of that artificial snow on it to just kind of go along with my gold and white Christmas theme here, and I love it. I absolutely love the way it turned out, and yeah, I am so glad that I reused my wreath. Thank you guys so much.